Bismillah, honey. Relax, you have been working all day. نكمل كشق ما بيس وأنا سيدير ساعة عمل. بسم الله. شريف, give me one of those big pillows. هاي معناته كان بركن كان big. كوي كان هاي كوي. قبل عد والله راح يا. How's your day, honey? Bring your feet. Bring your feet. Yep. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. How was your? Sharif, give me a small towel, mama, so the pillow doesn't get.
Wait, toilet paper?
Towel, small.
What's going on?
Just massaging for you. Towel, hoy ma'antu. I have the camera there, and just, you know, these poor feet, they have been working. Oh, they're so tired.
It's so soft.
Isn't it though? Oh. Okay, towel كان هاي معناته كان ككلت روب تاع كلا. Skin, how was work? Yeah, you sold a lot of herbs and put a big show. Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Oh, these poor toes. نوعاً ما ليش شقينا.
Stand all day.
شو ما كان لك بعدين كانت قرقبته تابي يا شريف. شريف, you make me laugh, mama. Oh, شريف عدي. Cool, على روحنا.
Oh wow.
You have been working, honey, for a long. Your feet is cold. It gets warm. See, babe?
Wow.
Yes.
Wait, treatment.
Yes. You said you are going out to eat tonight to apologize what you have done to me of the alole. So I'm waiting for you to take me out.
Oh.
Right, babe?
Alright.
Right? Are we going out tonight, or you rather stay and rest?
I knew that we were planning to go out. That's nice.
Yeah. So now
I didn't know it was an apology thing.
you have to. I thought you said you were taking me out.
Yeah, I didn't take me out.
Yeah, to apologize what you did. You ran. عشان يودوا يا because ما عندي بيت على ليه أسكري وأرد. Huh?
I didn't know that was the.
That was the reason you said.
I just thought I was taking me out. Like.
No, you are apologizing.
To be a nice husband.
You are very nice husband. Yep. نفيعا. Yes.
Well, thank you. This is really nice.
Yes. You know, I have to take care of my husband first.
Nice pre-date.
Yes. سفيعا الله شميع عجا سفيعا سفيعا عرفايان. This is what you do, you massage.
Woo.
Yes, you stretch him.
I'm not too used to that.
Just get used to it, honey, tonight. Get used to it because you are taking me out.
I remember your dad used to get this.
Yes, I'm treating you like the king. And me, you are the king, and we'll go get the rest of